Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics so you can act fast, plug in the mic, or connect USB and wait for Windows to detect it. Once done, open Settings, select System then Sound, and choose the correct input device. This selects which hardware Windows listens to. Make sure input volume isn't muted or near zero. Raise it to 70–80% to test. If you see a device but no levels, disable enhancements, and continue to the driver and privacy checks will do next. Next, address software controls. Open Device Manager and expand audio inputs and outputs. Update the mic driver or roll it back if problems began after an update. Once drivers are current, go to Privacy and Security, select Microphone, and make sure microphone access for the device is on, plus the apps you need are allowed. That explains why apps can't hear you even when the device is fine. Test immediately with voice recorder. If levels appear, you're almost done. Finish by running the built-in sound troubleshooter. Settings, System, Troubleshoot other troubleshooters, then Microphone. This automates common fixes like permission resets and service restarts. Next, test the microphone in a different app or on another device to determine if the mic hardware or Windows is at fault. If still broken, open Services, restart Windows Audio and Windows Audio and Point Builder, and reboot. If none of this works, swap the cable or try a known good.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.